Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. It's great to have you here. So today is a very exciting video because I'm unboxing my second ever Hermes bag. And I got this handbag at Istanbul International Airport, Hermes boutique. By the way, my first ever Hermes bag I also got in the same boutique, and I'm going to link that unboxing video right there. So this time around, I was shopping at Hermes and I purchased a couple of items. So a couple of pieces of ready-to-wear, a piece of jewelry, and a couple of accessories. I'm also going to link that unboxing video right here. And when I was done with that purchase, I actually asked my sales associate, I asked, do you actually have any handbags in store today? By the way, I think a lot of people say that it is completely impossible to get a handbag at an airport boutique for Hermes. From my experience, this has not been the case. They actually do carry bags occasionally. However, from my understanding, it is impossible to get a Birkin or a Kelly or a Constance. But if you are after a different style, or if you are into Hermes as a brand and you want to experience different products from it, you can get different handbags at an airport boutique. So when my sales associate said that they did have a bag in store, he actually clarified that it was a wallet to go style, and he asked me if I wanted to see it. To which I said, yes, of course, let's have a look. So they brought out this bag for me. So this is the box that my bag came in, and I actually had to do the original unboxing at the airport. I'm going to show the video here on the screen because I had to bring this bag back home. And now I'm filming a full video because I just wanted to show you some of the details and talk a little bit about this bag. So what I've got here is one of the wallet to go styles, and specifically it is Hermes Shandong wallet to go. And my particular bag actually comes with gold hardware in blue sapphire color. So this is a very small bag, obviously, as the name suggests. It is wallet to go style, and inside it actually has just one compartment as well as four card slots. So it opens up just like this, and you can see that up front here, the detail is actually kind of famous Shandong detail from Hermes. I think by now I actually have a couple of different items, including a skirt and also a ring that have this Shandong detail. And I think it is really nice and interesting because if you know, this definitely looks like an Hermes bag. But if you're not into the brand, if you don't know this type of details, that, it probably just looks as hopefully a nice handbag. Anyway, when I saw this handbag in the store, I decided to purchase it specifically because of two things. I liked this particular color, blue sapphire. I think the color looks very dressy and it could be used as an evening bag or an evening clutch. And I also like the fact that it was an Hermes bag, but not a visibly recognizable Hermes bag. Even though I am really into luxury, I think that people, or we as consumers, should be buying things that we actually like, as opposed to, things that everybody else out there is going to recognize as luxury or designer things. And when it comes to Hermes, I'm just now getting a little bit more and more into that particular luxury brand. But I think Hermes has really high level of craftsmanship. And because of this, I think that pretty much any Hermes bag, unless of course it is a style that I do not like, but I think any Hermes bag is actually a wonderful investment. By the way, my name is Lisa and I'm your guide to savvy luxury shopping no matter where in the world you are. Subscribe to my channel to learn more about strategic luxury shopping with the emphasis on quality and timelessness of your items. All right, let's get back to the bag. So, as I mentioned, this bag comes with gold hardware in blue sapphire color, and the leather is actually called veau tadelakt. I'm going to put the name of the leather on the screen. So apparently this leather is often confused with box leather, which is another common leather from Hermes, because both of them have this kind of really shiny, smooth finish, and both of them are a little fussy because this type of leather can be scratched quite easily. And I also read that when it comes in contact with water, it can actually blister. However, I read that veau tadelakt leather is just a little more dressy than box leather. And so I think specifically in this blue sapphire color, it actually looks very, very luxurious. So on the inside, there is one big compartment and 4 card slots. And if I look right now, what I have in there is actually this pouch. And the pouch is home to a leather shoulder strap. So the shoulder strap is not adjustable, but I show you how this bag looks on me. And it basically means that with this shoulder strap, you can wear this bag crossbody, or you can wear it just simply as a clutch. And as a clutch, I think this bag looks really quite dressy, and I think this is due to probably 3 things. The gold hardware, which I always think looks more dressy than, for example, silver. The color itself, this is blue sapphire color, and then the leather, veau tadelakt, which makes it look kind of very shiny and very dressy. Another fun fact, but wallets to go actually do not come with a dust bag. I was surprised about this because when I unboxed this bag at the airport, I was actually surprised that there was no dust bag in the box. And so I went back to the boutique and I talked to my SA again, and I was like, you know what, there is no dust bag. And he said, yes, that's how things are because this is a wallet to go, this is a clutch, so they do not come with a dust bag. However, he was nice enough to just find a dust bag that was of an appropriate size and bring it out to me. I do appreciate that very much because I like to use my dust bags specifically when I take my handbags with me for traveling. And I think this bag is going to be really nice to take with me just because it really doesn't take up that much space in a suitcase or something like this. So it would be a very nice dressy bag that I could pack quite easily and then enjoy having it on a holiday. By the way, also, I looked up this bag online and it seems that on occasion you can actually find these bags on the Hermes website. You can also find them on the pre-loved market. And just based on what I saw, potentially this bag does lose a little bit in value, but I think if it is in a very good condition, you can kind of recover most of the money that you have paid for this bag. Now, resale value is not very important to me because I actually plan to keep all of my purchases, but I know that for some people, this is an important factor to consider when making a luxury purchase, which is obviously something that is really quite important. And if you want to make sure that your items actually maintain their value, it is always good to look at the resale market and see what the price points actually are. I don't remember exactly how much I paid for this bag, but I'm going to put the price on the screen. And once again, I purchased it duty free, let's say, at Hermes boutique at Istanbul International Airport. Well, thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments down below, what did you think about this tiny little wallet to go from Hermes? Would you actually consider purchasing one? And before you go, please make sure you watch this video next. In this video, I basically show you the entire shopping vlog the last time that I went to Hermes at Istanbul International Airport. But for now, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. Take care and bye-bye.